welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, let's handle some business first. While you're here, you might as well go ahead and hit the subscribe button, throw a comment down there, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video from me. And now back to your regular schedule programs. Today it is part 2 of my beauty boot camp. And we are going to be focusing on the face, that is primer and foundation. So if you would like to see how I got this flawless coverage, then just keep on watching. Hey you guys, and welcome back to part 2 of my beauty boot camp, where I will be showing you everything from your brows to your lashes to the foundation, everything a basic beginner needs to know. So I already did my brows. I do have that part 1. I'm going to leave that link down in the description box, but today we're going to be focusing on the foundation. So since this is a very beginner friendly tutorial, I'm going to be using all drugstore products. So for primer, I'm going to be using this NYX hydratouch, and I'm just going to apply that all on my skin. And let's talk about primers first. Okay, so for primers, it's all about your skin type. So I have dry skin, so I'm using a hydrating primer. But if you have oily skin, you'll be looking for a mattifying primer. Or if you have like a oily T-zone, but you're dry everywhere else, you can use 2 primers. I've seen people do that, but I have dry skin everywhere, so that's why I only use 1. And I also, there are also some pore filling primers that you can use as well. It's all up to your skin type pretty much. And you just want to apply that all over your skin. Make sure it is good and settled in. Now on to foundation. So I have, let's see. I want to use my Maybelline Superstay foundation today because since I only used it one time. I usually use the Believe one. This one was only $5, and this is probably the best foundation from the drugstore that I ever purchased. The Maybelline one is good too if you like full coverage. If you're not looking for if you're looking for medium to full, something that you can build up, I would definitely recommend this one. Like I said, I got it from Dollar General. I do have a review on all the Believe Beauty cosmetics, and I will leave that down in the description box as well. But like I said, I'm going to be focused on Maybelline today. And you can apply your foundation 2 ways. You can either use a foundation brush or a beauty blender. For me today, I am going to be using a beauty blender because I do feel that it is very beginner friendly. Instead of, getting a foundation brush, you have to make sure all the you don't leave any streaks or anything. So that's what I'm going to be focusing on today. And make sure that you shake it up really well. I'm going to apply it to the back of my beauty sponge. And as many pumps as you would like to use. I think I'm going to just use, since it's full coverage, let me go in with 1 first. So yeah, I can show y'all how it looks. So I'm just going to dot this on my face. And y'all, let me tell y'all, it is no rules to makeup. Do the makeup how you want to do it. This is just the way that I like to do it. So like I said, I just dot it on my face. I see some people use their fingers, some people use a brush. I honestly use a brush, then go in with a beauty blender, but I'm not going to do that today. So I'm just going to blend that all into my skin, just like so. And also, you want to make sure that you get your jawline too, because you don't want that line of demarcation to be showing. And yeah, you can just go in and blend, baby, blend. And also, if I'm not wearing eyeshadow that day, I like to take the remainder that's on the back of my beauty sponge and just dab that on my eyes so I can have a little color. And also, I see people blend their foundation like all the way down to their neck. I personally don't do it because my foundation shade pretty much matches my face and my neck. So like I said, I don't have to do that. Now, if you are wondering, how can I choose my foundation? I have found a website that has helped me tremendously. Okay, so I know some people, they will see another YouTuber and they're using the same foundation shade as them. They was like, oh, well, we use all the same foundations. No, there is a such thing as undertones. There is a cool, there is a neutral, there is a warm. You have to know your undertone to find your perfect foundation. So I'm going to leave the website down in the description box. It's called Findation, FINDATION.com. And when I say that has helped me so much, okay, so I would just, when I first got into makeup, I was using the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Foundation. And I put in that shade. You can put either 1 to 2 foundation shades in the on the website or whatever, and it will match you with every foundation shade that they have to offer, from Fenty to, let's see, with some other ones, L'Oreal, whichever one that you, child, what am I trying to say? Whichever one that matches your skin perfectly, that's the one that they're gonna recommend to you. They also match concealers, I realized, and bronzer. So I would definitely check that out if I were y'all. And as you can see, like I said, this foundation was very full coverage, so I only needed 1 pump. Sometimes if I have a medium to full coverage foundation, then I will go in with 2 pumps. But like I said, this is very full coverage, so I didn't have to do all that. And yes, you guys, so that is it. Like, it's so easy, like easy as 1, 2, 3, as you can see. So yeah, I do want to thank y'all for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, you guys.